Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this video, we're going to look at the new features and changes that Microsoft plans to roll out with the release of the Windows 11 March 2025 update. It is important to note that even after the company releases this update, it might take some time before you can access to all the new improvements. And that's because Microsoft rolls out new features and changes gradually. Okay, let's dive into the new stuff expected to be released with the Windows 11 March 2025 update. But before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to help YouTube show this video to more people. It doesn't cost anything and you will be helping the channel and supporting my work. As part of the March 2025 update, Microsoft is introducing a new setting to show the battery percentage on the taskbar, as you can see it right here. And this setting is independent from the battery icon. So if we go to the settings tab and then we go to system and then we go to the power settings, we are going to find this option and you can turn it on and off to show the battery percentage on the bottom right corner. Also in this release, there is a new icon for the battery to better inform you about the battery status. For example, if it is green, everything is good and also indicates that the computer is charging. Now, if you see a yellow icon, that indicates that the device is running on battery and it has entered into the energy saving mode. This mode automatically activates when the battery level drops to 20% or lower. There is also a red icon that actually indicates that the battery is in a critical state and you need to plug it in as soon as possible. And as you can see right here, we get the black or white depending on the system color that you're using, and that color just indicates that the computer is running on battery. Now, as part of this update, Microsoft is also updating the jump list for apps in the taskbar. So now on supported applications, when you right click and access the menu, and if you have recent files, you will be able to click the share button to share the specific item with different applications. Now, as part of the File Explorer improvements, when you see this Start Backup notification, you can now right-click on it and you can now snooze the notification for a month, or you can turn off the reminder directly. Now, in this Patch Tuesday update, Microsoft is also releasing a few fixes and improvements with File Explorer, which you can see right here. Now, if you happen to have a Game Pass subscription, on the Settings tab, more specifically on the home page, you're going to see this card, which is already available. However, it's been updated to include this option to invite your friends to try the service for free. And for Windows Narrator, the March 2025 update will roll out these new shortcuts changes. Now, this update also includes additional fixes and improvements, including fix for a problem with the start menu showing the right color when you open the Account Manager Fly app, which is this one right here. Other fixes include a resolution for an issue that may not allow the system to recognize the scanners. Some audio issues have been resolved as well. Even further, the company is adding different fixes, and one of them includes a resolution for an issue when changing the mouse pointer color, that it will revert back to the white color after the user account control dialog appears. This occurs when you changing the color to another one. Microsoft is also fixing issues with OpenSSH inside of Windows, the Get Help app, remote desktop rendering issues, and more. It is important to note that when the update actually rolls out to everyone in March, the company is also going to announce the security changes for this particular update. Pretty much all the same features and changes will be available for version 24H2 and 23H2. However, version 23H2, it's not planned to get the battery percentage option and the new iconography for the battery. And also some of the fixes and improvements are the same. However, some of the fixes will only be available for version 24H2. And that's it. Those are the most significant changes, new features, and fixes that we're going to find with the Windows 11 March 2025 update. Let me know in the comments what you think about these improvements. Like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.